Is being an electrician in Chad well paid? On average, an electrician in Chad earns around 1,650 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary, but after tax, you take home $1,410, which brings home roughly $118 a month. While that is the nation average, working in N'Djamena adds up to $1,660 after tax, so you earn noticeably more in the capital. But living there costs more too, which offsets that advantage when you pay for housing. Because experience matters, an entry-level electrician salary in Chad starts below this mark, though your electrician wages go up fast as you learn the trade. Pay plateaus after a few years unless you move into supervision, which is why higher education helps. Having a degree opens up better paths, so you can transition into a senior site manager or electrical engineer. On top of that, international employers pay substantially higher than small local firms, which is how you maximize your electrician income.